Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF offer letter. Receiving an offer is exciting, and signing it should be straightforward. First, open your PDF offer letter with a trusted PDF reader like Adobe Acrobat Reader or your computer's built-in viewer. Take a moment to carefully review all the terms and conditions, ensuring everything is correct before proceeding to the next step. This initial check is crucial for a smooth process. Now let's choose how to sign. Most PDF programs offer a fill and sign feature. You can either type your name, which converts into a digital font, or draw your signature directly using your mouse or trackpad. Another popular option is to sign a piece of white paper, scan it, and then upload that image to place it precisely on the signature line. This gives a personalized touch. After placing your signature, take a moment to review it. Ensure it's perfectly aligned within the signature box and clearly visible. Double-check that you've added the current date and any required initials in other sections, if applicable. Once you are satisfied, save the document. This action embeds your signature and any other changes, making them a permanent part of the PDF file. Finally, it's time to send your signed offer letter. Before attaching it, consider renaming the file to something like your name offer letter signed. PDF for easy identification. Attach this finalized PDF to your reply email, ensuring you send it to the correct contact person. It's always a good practice to send a brief follow-up email or confirm receipt once it's sent, just to ensure they received it successfully. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.